wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best ant farms. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Educational Insights Geosafari features a playful illustration of a factory across its top half that lends it an Art Deco feel. It includes a 24-page book filled with tips and advice on how to best care for your new 6-legged pets. The curved design keeps it from wobbling, and it comes with a handy water dropper. However, it doesn't come with sand. At number 9, kids will spend hours on end watching insects busily burrow through the nutrient-rich blue gel of the Evviva Science's Cosmos. Its LED light adds to the ambience, and it's designed to encourage industrious little ants to dig farther. It plugs into a standard AC outlet and includes access to a downloadable ebook, but it can get humid inside. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the insect lore mountain allows for two-sided viewing, so budding myrmecologists can watch their busy little pets excavate, problem-solve, and forage for food. Included are a rod for creating tunnels and a certificate to mail in for a colony of live critters. The lid locks securely and it features a downloadable activity guide. However, the small opening makes it hard to fill. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ant farms, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Uncle Milton Giant features a classic look that these miniature colonies have sported for decades, with a forest green frame and a farmhouse motif. It comes with a tunneling tool that helps you give the new inhabitants a head start. It offers a large 15 by 10 inch viewing area and a wide stand that ensures stability, but the plastic is a bit thin. Moving up our list to number 6. You'll learn all about pill bugs with the Pocket Pets Roly-Poly Terrarium, which provides a voucher you can use to order 10 of these common backyard crustaceans. The kit includes the clear-walled container, a brightly colored lid, chia seeds, and substrate. It's available in 2 sizes with a large window on top, and it's made in the USA. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you want to branch out and observe another type of creature that likes to tunnel through the earth, consider the Nature Gift Store Observation Kit, which is equipped with a batch of 20 live worms. You also receive sand, grass seeds, and a water dropper. It works with dirt from any yard and is a compact choice with a clear set of instructions. At number 4, the Navadeal Dreamworks is a modern take on this activity. You can watch your critters from all angles, as in order to form their new habitat, they gnaw their way through a blue gel, which simultaneously nourishes and hydrates them. It includes a removable light-up base, a magnifying glass, and a lifetime warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the anthouse formicarium is a high-quality option that's well worth the price. Included are a durable acrylic box, sand, decorative stones, food, and the tools needed to set up a healthy colony. All you have to do is purchase insects and watch Mother Nature in action. It's suitable for a queen and can be viewed from any angle. It mimics a natural environment. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ant farms, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Nature Gift Store ecosystem can provide a vibrant home for both bugs and plants, and comes with a bag of grass seed and tubes that contain 25 live ants. You also receive blue gel, as well as colorful decorative rocks and 2 plastic palm trees. It includes a handy magnifying glass and a tunnel starter tool. No food or water are needed. And taking the top spot on our list, the Nature Gift Store Interactive provides a tube of live critters that will enjoy their new playground-like habitat that's chock full of ladders, platforms, seesaws, and a merry-go-round. You can even add to the fun factor by getting multiple sets and linking them. It features a handy illustrated guide, cheery red and yellow colors, and white sand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ant farms, or simply click beneath this video.